Hello. Please just see and tell me till where we had done.
Till question 25.
25th of the 7.2.
7.2. Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to start with taking it together today. 2 lectures of taking it together, and Friday we'll do the doubt solving. Barabar hai na? Hello. Hello. Do you all agree? Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we'll be, please cooperate today. Because most of the circular motion part is explained only. We only need to understand a little. Fine. We'll just see what happens. Question number 1. A particle moves in a uniform circular motion. Choose the wrong statement. Uniform circular motion means what? Hello. Speed is constant. V. So speed is constant. This is correct. The acceleration is always normal to the velocity. Yes, acceleration is always centripetal acceleration. So over here also it is centripetal. Always it is normal to the velocity. This is also correct. The particle moves with uniform acceleration. Okay. This is very important to know. What do you mean by the word uniform acceleration? Hello. Please reply. Uniform acceleration. What does uniform mean? Hello.
V is constant.
No. V is constant. No, beta. Uniform acceleration means what?
A is constant.
A is constant. Acha, A is a vector or a scalar, beta? A is a acceleration of the vector or a scalar? Bolo? It is a vector quantity. That means if this is constant, he is telling you that means magnitude is also constant. And what else is constant?
Direction.
But you can see over here that the direction of acceleration is continuously changing. When it was here, it is here, this way. This is the direction of acceleration. Dikh raha hai? When it is at B, the direction of acceleration is changing. Obviously, it is towards the center only, but it is changing, na? Hello? Hello? So can I say direction is constant? This is wrong in UCM. That means the particle moves in uniform acceleration is wrong. So this is the correct answer. Because यहाँ पर what will be the option? The direction of centripetal acceleration keeps on changing as particle moves. Getting it or not? Hello? Hello? Beta हाँ ना बोलो, yes or no, correct है? Yes sir, please come on, tell me yes or no. Correct? Fine. Come on, get up in the morning, please. Okay. You all don't have any other lecture, right? You will have maths lectures there. Okay, after this. Okay. Question number 4. I'll do till 25 today. Everyone has to pay attention. A particle is moving in a circular path making 600 revolutions per minute. So frequency kitna hai? 600 divided by 60. In how much time will it take one revolution? So they are asking about time period. Can anyone tell me the formula for time period? Hello?
1 upon frequency.
1 upon frequency, okay. Point 1 second. This is okay. Got it? Hello? Fine with it? You all answer, please. I'm going to ask you all. Question number 5. A wheel has moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is 2 kg meter square about an axis rotating at this much. So initial frequency is given as how much? 50 RPM. The angular retardation that can stop the wheel in 1 minute. So final frequency is given as 0 RPM. 1 minute means 60 seconds. I need alpha. Tell me the formula. Can anyone tell me which formula will it be applicable?
Omega final is equal to omega initial plus alpha into t.
Perfect. Omega final is omega initial plus alpha into t. But I can say this 2 pi n final is 2 pi n initial plus alpha into t. So can I write this as 2 pi n final minus n initial upon t will become equal to alpha. So 2 pi n final is 0 minus n initial is 50 RPM divided by 60 because RPS में चाहिए upon t is 60 seconds will become alpha. So alpha is going to become 100 pi by 3600 with a minus sign. Minus pi by 36 radian per second square. Yeah. Do you all agree with me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we do the basic kind of questions. Question number 9. A bucket is full of water is rotated in a vertical circle. Huh? Listen to me. The water doesn't spill out. The speed of the bucket at the topmost point. And pay attention to me. It is a very important question. There's a bucket. And it is full of water. And it is moving in a circle. So it is moving in a circle, vertical circle. The speed at the topmost point. So I want to find this speed. Speed means the minimum speed at the topmost point. Can anyone tell me the answer of the minimum speed at the topmost point? So that it revolves in a
Under root
circle.
RG.
It's under root RG. It is a standard result, right? This is the answer only. I'll just prove it also so that you all can understand. Where is the mass of the water acting?
Downwards.
This is the tension on the string. And can I say centrifugal force is radially outward, which is saving the water being spilled? So can I say T plus mg downward is equal to mv square by r upward? But you know how much is the minimum tension at the highest point? It's the highest point, right? How much is the tension at the highest point, beta?
0.
0 will become, so T is equal to 0. That means mg is going to become mv square by r. M and M will cancel. So V at the topmost point is under root RG. Do you agree with me? Hello. So this is how we prove it. And whenever bucket ka sum comes, now this is only the question which is asked many times in the NEET. Huh? Believe me, under root RG, finished. Okay. Last time I had done this kind of sum, which is the question number 10. Most of the things are covered in the synopsis. A car passes through a convex bridge. Can anyone tell me convex bridge? If a car is there, where's the weight? Jaldi, jaldi, where is the weight?
Downwards.
Mg. Normal reaction upward and centrifugal force also outward. Can I say F net is 0? Because when you apply centrifugal force, you have to apply F net is 0. So n plus mv square by r is equal to mg down. So n is equal to mg minus mv square by r. Hello? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is mg minus mv square by r is the answer. Fine. Question number, we'll come to question number 11. In 1 second, the particle goes from A to B, moving in a semicircle. The magnitude of average velocity. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for average velocity? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please tell me. Total.
Displacement upon
Displacement total time.
What is the displacement from A to B? Yesterday's sum and yesterday's exam sum, I think so. Same. What is the total displacement? A to B?
2 meters. 2 meters.
2r, right? So it will become 2 into r. That is 1. And time taken is how much? 1 second. So this is the answer. 2 meter per second. Done. Fine. So this was based on kinematics only. Going in circle, you can do that also. You need to practice and practice and you will get the answers. Question number 12 also we'll do. Look carefully. I had explained this in the introductory exercise also. A particle makes 2400 revolutions. So initial frequency is 2400. 40 rps. Comes to rest when the final frequency 0 hai, in a time of 10 seconds. Find the number of times it will rotate. So I am going to find the number of revolutions before it is coming to rest. Can anyone tell me the formula for number of revolutions? We had done it. Number of revolutions find करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? Come on.
Yes. Theta. Find theta.
No, you want to find theta. I had told you the trick, right? अच्छा, theta find करने के लिए कौन सा kinematical equation angular you will apply? Look at the data.
Omega final square is equal to omega initial square plus 2 alpha theta.
But alpha पता है? Alpha
You
you
can
know.
find it.
You can find it by other kinematical equation. That is omega
The second one.
final is omega initial plus alpha t. Hello. So 2 pi n final is 2 pi n initial plus alpha t. So 2 pi n final is 0. 2 pi n initial is 40 plus alpha t is 10. This and this will cancel. So alpha is going to become minus 8 pi. Hello. Yes or no? Yes or no? ये चीज है. Now second is omega final square is omega initial square plus 2 alpha theta. Omega final square is again 0. Omega initial square will become 2 pi n initial the whole square plus 2 alpha theta. 0 will become 4 pi square. N initial square is 40 square. Plus 2 alpha is minus 8 pi into theta. So 4 pi. And this will become 2, right? 40 square will become 1600 is equal to 4 theta. So theta will become equal to 400. But once theta is 400, what is number of revolutions? Ka formula? Hello? Hello? Remember I told you what table you need to take into consideration? Yes, sir. Hello? One revolution के लिए कितना theta लगता है? 2 pi.
2 pi.
So how many number of revolutions will result in? 400. Getting it or not? Hello? Yes or no? This is pi square. Sorry. यहाँ पर एक mistake हो गया. तो this will become क्या हो जाएगा? 400 pi हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
N is 200. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, इसको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, वेरी मच नीट लेवल क्वेश्चन. यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग or not? हेलो, फाइन. Fine. So again, question number 13 पर आते हैं. The distance between the rails of a track is 1.67 meter. This is L. This is the sum of banking of rows. This is theta. This much. How much height is the raising of outer rail over the inner rail? Yeah. So that car is moving at the speed of 54 kilometer per hour. So car is coming with the speed of 54 kilometer per hour. Does anyone know the formula which I had done it last time? Hello, I had done the result last time. Can anyone tell me what is the answer? H ka V square L by RG. Hello, have we done this? You say yes or no. Hello,
Yes, sir.
ये चीज आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. V square L by RG had proof was done last time. So H is V square. V कितना है? 54 है किलोमीटर पर आवर में. So 54 into 5 by 18 the whole square. L is 1.67. Radius is 0.5 kilometer. Kilometer मतलब 10 raised to 3. And G ka value is 10. Hello, are you getting it? 15 squared 225 into 1.67, 5 into 10 raised to 3. So this answer 45 into 1.67. Approximately answer कितना आएगा? Hello, what is 45 into 1.67? अरे बाबा, tell me. Hello, this will come 75 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is 75 millimeter. Hello, do you agree with me? Yes or no? So this has to be learned by heart. Huh? V square L upon RG. Hello. Okay. Fine. Question number 17 and 18. You'll see right now. Okay, this is also a very nice question. Question number 16. A particle is moving in a circle with uniform speed. It is moving from one point to a diametrically opposite point. So it was at A, came to B. The direction of velocity was V. The direction of velocity is V. Ulta ho gaya. The momentum changes by mv. Acha, can anyone tell me how much is the momentum over here? अरे भाई, tell me. Momentum on the particle कितना है? Hello, hello, hello.
mv.
mv. अच्छा, इधर मोमेंटम ऑफ द पार्टिकल कितना हो गया इधर इस केस में? माइनस mv. Why? Because डायरेक्शन उल्टा हो गया. Can anyone tell me what is change in momentum?
-2 mv.
Very good. It is minus 2 mv. And magnitude will become 2 mv only. So the momentum doesn't change by mv. It changes by 2 mv. And kinetic energy कितना है? काइनेटिक एनर्जी यहाँ पर कितना है? हाफ mv स्क्वायर. बिकॉज काइनेटिक एनर्जी स्केलर है तो उसको डायरेक्शन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. काइनेटिक एनर्जी यहाँ पर भी हाफ mv स्क्वायर रहेगा. सो हाउ मच इज द चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी बेटा? जीरो ना? हेलो, जीरो. सो दिस इज also a very nice question. If you can see the last year's book, it has come. Momentum changes by 2 mv because it is reversing. Hello, बेटा हाँ ना बोलो, करेक्ट है क्या? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is the same thing as that of the synopsis which we had done. कुछ अच्छे वाले questions later on आएंगे that we can do. पहले हम लोग थोड़ा basic strong कर लेते हैं हमारा. 25-30 तक we can do and then we can make use of next lecture. Question number 17 पर आता है. A motorcyclist is riding at 36 km per hour. So velocity is 36 into 5 by 18. That is 10 meter per second. Find the least radius of curve R. He should follow for safe driving if the coefficient of friction is mu is 0.2. Can anyone tell me what is V max on a curved road? Yes, sir. When friction is there on the road. Yes, sir. Tell me. Hello.
Under root tan theta RG. Mu
So
RG.
banking है ना, mu s RG. So mu s is given as 0.2 into R is 10 into G is 10. So it will become 100 into 0.2, that is कितना होता है बताइए? Yes, sir. What do you require? I'm very sorry. V is given. Sorry, yeah. V is given. They have asked you R. Okay. So V maximum is under root mu s RG. So V square will by mu s G will become equal to R. 10 square 0.2 into G. 10 by 0.2. That is 100 by 2. That will become 50 meters. Hello. Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is how we do it. Question number 18. A circular curve of a highway is designed for traffic moving with a velocity of 72 into 5 by 18. It will become 20 meter per second. The radius of the road is 100 meter. The correct angle of banking. Does anyone know the formula? Does anyone know the formula for angle of banking? Tan theta. Hello.
V square by RG.
Perfect. 20 square by R is 100 into G is 10. From 400 by 1000. 1/4 हो गया. So theta will be tan inverse of 1/4. This is the answer. I hope you all have understood this thing. कुछ wrong है क्या? No, it is not 1/4. It is not 1/4. It is, what is it? It is 4 by 10, na? That is 2 by 5. Hello? Yes or no? Correct. Got it now? So this is okay. This is okay. Question number 19. 19th. Please practice, huh? DC Pandey again and again practice. You will get exposed to all the sums, whether it is in introductory or taking it together. Do it 2-3 times. A particle of mass m is circulated in a circle having angular momentum L. Does anyone know the formula for angular momentum?
MVR.
It is MVR. Remember this thing. Remember this thing right now. It will be done in rotational motion. अभी फिलहाल आपको याद रखना है. Okay, learn by heart right now. Angular momentum of a particle, okay, is MVR, mass into velocity into radius. अभी फिलहाल याद करो. Get the resultant answer. The centripetal force. Can anyone tell me the formula for centripetal force? Hello. अच्छा, what is V from here? तो v क्या हो जाएगा, l by mr, that is m. v square की जगह can I write l square by m square r square, and this is r का r I am writing same small r, so this m and this m, and this will become l square by m into r cube. This will be the answer. Hello, hello, yes or no? That's fine. Okay, question number 20. Okay, does anyone know the formula for conical pendulum time period? Time period of conical pendulum. Come on, fast, please. I had done this. Hello, please reply, man. Come on, tell me. 2 pi
R by
Root
D.
L cos
root of L cos theta by G. Conical pendulum. याद आ रहा है?
yes sir.
This is there. It's 2 pi root of L cos theta by G. Again, conical standard result. Okay. Synopsis में किया है हम लोगों ने. Simple pendulum होगा तो it is root of L by G. But since it is conical pendulum, you can see the diagram, it is conical pendulum. So it is 2 pi root of L cos theta by G. Okay. 21. A particle is moving in a vertical circle. The difference between the kinetic energy at the highest point and the lowest point. Look over here. Huh? Can anyone tell me how much of the velocity over here? Minimum. Jaldi, jaldi. Come on. Minimum velocity over here कितना होता है vertical circle में?
under root 5 rg.
Kinetic energy क्या रहेगा? Half m v square. मतलब इसका square हो जाएगा 5 rg. बराबर है क्या? Bottom point. Can anyone tell me what is the velocity at the topmost point?
Under root RC.
Root RG.
So how much is the kinetic energy at the topmost point? Half m v square, मतलब rg. And they are asking you difference between kinetic energy, मतलब kinetic energy bottom minus kinetic energy top. So it is 5 by 2 mrg bottom minus half mrg. It will become 5 minus 4 by 2 mrg. That is 2 mrg. Do you agree? Do you agree with me? 2m is 1, r is 1, g is 10. तो कितना हो गया? 20 joules. बोलो. Correct है ना? Hello. Yes or no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So again and again, we are doing the same sums. I feel 20. This is also same thing, safe driving. Okay. See, again the same sum has come. The outer edge should be raised over the inner edge by some angle. So which formula will I use? I want only the formula. Come on, please listen, see the question and tell me the formula.
H formula.
H is V square L by RG. The outer edge is raised over the inner edge. Again and again it will repeat. After certain amount of questions, it will repeat itself. Okay. We'll do some more questions. Okay. We have time. Time is there. Sixth, 26th question. Listen to me. A car, अभी बहुत important है, ध्यान देना सब लोग अभी इधर. Pay attention. A car wheel is rotated with angular acceleration. Initially, the angular velocity is 0. It rotates through θ1 in 2 seconds. देखो इधर बात सुनो. So suppose this is horizontal circle. θ1 in 2 seconds. And in the next 2 seconds, it is rotating through θ2. Hello. Getting it or not? Getting it or not? Hello. And they are telling you that uniform angular acceleration, matlab alpha is, what is it? What is it? Constant. Getting it? Hello. Now, and how much is omega initial? At this point, omega initial is 0. Okay. Look over here. Now, carefully listen to me. What am I doing? I'm applying theta is equal to omega 1t plus half alpha t square. So theta 1 if I take omega 1 to 0 hai, half alpha is constant into t square. T kitna laga uske liye 2 square. So it will become this and this will cancel, it will become 2 alpha. Theta 1 is 2 alpha. Now I am doing again the same thing. Theta is omega 1 t plus half alpha t square. I'll use theta 1 plus theta 2. I'll start from start. I'm taking the whole thing. Again, the omega 1 is 0 plus half alpha t squared. T is taken as 4. So this will be 16 alpha by 2. That will become 8 alpha. So can anyone tell me how much is theta 1 plus theta 2? It is 8 alpha. So how much is theta 2 only? Are Baba, jaldi bolo. 6 alpha. Dekho na, this is 8 alpha, that is 2 alpha. So this will become 6 alpha. They have asked you the ratio of theta 1 to theta 2. That is 2 alpha by 6 alpha. What is the answer? What is the answer? Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no? Acha. By looking at this question, can you remember something? Hello. Can you remember something? Come on, yaar. Please reply. It is not getting it. Okay.
Law of odd numbers.
Law of odd numbers. Yes. See, remember in kinematics, we had done the seconds diagram. We told that when the acceleration was constant, it was following ratio of 1, 3, 5. Hello, do you remember? Yahan par who is constant? Yahan par alpha is constant. So in the first 2 seconds, it will cover 1x. In the next 2 seconds, it will cover 3x. In the next 2 seconds, can anyone tell me it will cover how much? Arey Baba, 5x. So actually, it was a standard result. ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Did you understand? Hello? And again, it is a favorite question of the NEET examiners. Okay, answer will be 1:3. The ratio of theta 1 to theta 2. Actually, theta 2 to theta 1 पूछना चाहिए ना? Hello?
So it is theta 2 to theta 1.
हाँ तो यहाँ पर wrong लिखा है. It is there. Getting it or not? Hello? So remember this thing again. It is law of odd numbers. Whether it is linear motion, whether it is angular motion, यहाँ पर alpha is constant ना? That means it is following law of odd numbers. You will get the resultant answer. So ये ध्यान रखना. Everything is related, whether linear motion, rotational motion, circular motion, कुछ भी हो. In physics, everything has a relation. 26 is over. Please learn this. 27, I'll be doing till 30. 27, listen to me. A particle bob, 2 meter length, is displaced 60 degree from the vertical and released. So यहाँ पर नहीं है. It is 60 degree ऐसे. This is 60 degree. It is released from here till here. What is the speed at which it passes to the lowest point? Come on, help me out. Come on, what is the formula? Hello, anyone, please tell me, man. Please tell me. What is velocity? Arey bhai, which energy is converted to which energy? Chalo yaar, tell me.
Potential to kinetic.
potential is mgh, where h is this, na? Does anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how much is this h? Standard result.
L into 1 minus cos theta.
Yes, very good. It is L1 minus cos theta by. So theta is 60, cos 60 is half, 1 minus half is half. So h will become L by 2. It will become half mv square. Plus then this cancel. So v will become under root of 2gh. But h is L by 2. So v will become under root gl. gl. G is 10 and L is what? 2. ये हो जाएगा root 2. हेलो भाई हाँ ना बोलो, करेक्ट है क्या? हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Again and again same sums of synopsis. Now we go to 28. Sum. Bob of 0.2 meter pendulum describes an arc of a circle in the vertical plane. If the tension in the cord is root 3 times of weight, when the cord makes an angle of 30 with the vertical, the acceleration of the bob at that instant. Look carefully. अच्छा वाला समय, बहुत अच्छा समय, ध्यान देना अभी इधर. This is the bob. Now it is making how many degree? कितना degree? 30 degree. Hello. Okay. Can you tell me? ध्यान देना अभी इधर, ध्यान देना सर. Pay attention. This is tension. This is mg. This will also be 30. mg cos 30 and mg sin 30. And since the bob is in non-inertial frame of reference, we'll consider centrifugal force radially outward. So can I say tension at this point inward is equal to mv square by r plus mg cos theta? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no? हाँ ना बोलो बेटा. This is very important. Yes or no? Hello? Achha, can I say tension in the rod is given as root 3 times of weight? Can I say tension is root 3 times of mg? Is mv square by r plus mg cos 30 because theta is 30 degree. Can I cancel the m throughout? Root 3g minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 v square by r. So this will become root 3 by 2g v square. Can anyone tell me what does v square by r stand for? Hello, itna to batao man. What does v square by r stand for?
Acceleration.
Centripetal acceleration. बराबर है? Hello. Achha, can anyone tell me there is another acceleration which is acting on the bob at this instant? This is centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration to humko malum hai na, it is radially inward. There is another acceleration which is acting on the bob. Come on, at this instant. Which other acceleration?
Tangential.
Tangential. What is the formula for tangential force over here? mg sin theta. So what will be the formula for tangential acceleration over here?
G sin.
G sin theta. Very good. M निकाल देने का. बराबर है ना? तो G sin 30. That is G by 2. ये भी आ गया. Now can you tell me there are two accelerations over here? One is tangential and other is centripetal. So what will be the net acceleration? Hello? Yaar Baba, tell me.
Vector sum.
So what is the magnitude format? Yes or no? Et का square हो जाएगा g square by 4 plus 3 by 4 of g square. So it will become g square only. G square का root हो जाएगा g. Answer is G. Getting it? Hello? Hello? यार हाँ ना बोलो इस कसम का. Yes. Okay. It is very important. Huh? Everyone, please. Okay. Fine. 29, sir. In a typical projectile motion, the tangential acceleration of the topmost point is how much? Can anyone tell me at this topmost point how much is the speed?
Root RG.
No, this is projectile motion.
U cos theta.
V naught cos theta. And can anyone tell me which acceleration is acting at this point? Please tell me. Which acceleration is acting at this point? Gravity? Hello? Yes or no? But they have not asked you this acceleration. They have asked you which acceleration is asking. Tangential. How much is this tangential acceleration? Can anyone tell
Zero.
me? Zero. They have not asked you the radial acceleration. They have not asked you. This will act as a centripetal acceleration towards the center. They have only asked you tangential acceleration. Most of the people will mark G. That is wrong. Answer over here is zero. Hello? Are you all okay with this thing? No. Tangential acceleration over here is zero. Radial acceleration is G. Thirtieth question. Next time we can do till I think 50 and then we'll get over. Carefully listen. A jeep runs around a curve of radius 0.3 kilometer with a speed of 60 meter per second. The jeep covers a 60-degree arc. So theta is 60 degree. Okay, good question. Very nice question. Pay attention to me, you know. Listen to me now. It involves a lot of things which I'll prove it today. So if I see there is a circle, look carefully, yeah. Initially, suppose the particle was here with a speed v, and then it comes over here. Speed v. Can I say it is tracing an angle theta? I'll make it here somewhere. One second, just wait. I'll go to the next page and prove it first, and then we can listen. Initially, particle was here, and then it came here. Angle is theta. Suppose speed is constant, but then also what is changing? Then also what is changing of the speed? Please reply. Hello. Direction of speed is changing. So can you tell me what is change in speed ka formula? We had done this under root v1 square plus v2 square minus 2 v1 v2 cos theta. Proofs are important, what I am doing right now. Because we are interested in the change in velocity, which is given in the previous sum. So change in velocity, I'll prove something is v1 is also v, V2 is also V minus 2V square cos theta. So delta V is going to become 2V square minus 2V square cos theta. Can I say it will become 2V square 1 minus cos theta? Can anyone tell me trigonometrical formula 1 minus cos theta is what? Fast, come on, please tell me.
2 sine square theta
Sine square theta
by
by
2.
2. Can remember the result, it will become 2 ka 2, 2V sine theta by 2. So whenever a particle goes in a circle with constant speed, the change in velocity is going to become 2V sine theta by 2. 2V sine theta by 2. Remember, 2V sine theta by 2. 2V sine theta by 2. Remember. And what does V stand for? R omega. So it could also be written as 2R omega sine theta by 2. Standard result, learn by heart. I am proving whatever is required. Okay. Hello. ये shortcut बन जाएगा आपका. This will be shortcut 2V sin theta by 2, but we are doing it proof by conventional method. अब हम आते हैं sum की तरफ. Okay, a jeep runs around a curve of radius this much, constant speed this much. The jeep covers 60 degrees. The resultant change in velocity. Can anyone tell me which formula will come? Which formula will come? Come on, please. Change in velocity का formula क्या है? अभी किया हम लोग ने. Come on, man, please. Yes, sir. What is the formula for change in velocity? Please reply.
2v sine theta by 2.
2V sine theta by 2. That is 2 and 2V is 60. Sine theta is 60 by 2. That is sine 30. Sine 30 is half. Half cut 2 ka gaya. It will become 60 meter per second. Is change in velocity. Is this correct? Yes, sir. It is correct. Correct hai? Hello. Okay, but answer is all are correct. Also, you can see in the D part. So we need to do everything. Everything. Second one. The instantaneous acceleration. Can anyone tell me at this moment, since it is going with constant speed, which acceleration is acting? Fast, fast, fast. Which acceleration is acting? Centripetal, na? Because it is UCM. So centripetal acceleration at any instant is V square by R. Can I say V is given as 60 square by R is 0.3 kilometer? Yes or no? 12 meter per second square. Very good. This is also correct. So actually that means all are correct. Barabar hai kya? Hello? But I'm doing the third also. C point. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for average acceleration? Chalo, haan, jaldi. Last sum it is there. Last part. Average acceleration का formula क्या है? Hello, tell me the general formula. Average acceleration.
Delta V.
Okay. Change in velocity upon time. Average acceleration is change in velocity. अच्छा, change in velocity कितना है? 60 है. Time. Do I know the time? Hello. Time, time, time. Come on. What is the time? Time कैसे निकालेंगे? Can I say time is? Yes, sir. Distance covered. Perfect, man. Distance by speed. Can anyone tell me in 60 degree how much is the distance traveled? 360 degree will cover 2 pi r. Hello.
Pi by 3.
360 degree is going to cover 2 pi r. 60 degree will cover how much? So it will become कितना हो गया ये? Pi r by 3. So the distance covered is pi r by 3. Speed is v. The time taken is pi r. What is r? R is 0.3 kilometer by 3 and v is given as 60. Do you agree with me? This is 0.1 into 10⁻². So it'll become 10 pi by 6. Now I'll put this over here. So average acceleration is going to become 60 by 10 pi by 6. 36 by pi. Pi is 3.14. So approximately 11.5 answer will come. This is the actual answer is this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Say yes or no, beta. It is correct. Yes. Okay. So this is fine. Next time I'll be doing from 31 to 50, 55. And on Friday, I'll be taking doubt solving of this whole thing with doing some important extra questions. Okay. Chalo, so revise this thing till 30. Again, do it till 30. As I told you, the trick over here is practicing again and again so that you all get acquainted with the questions. Okay. Chalo. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.